Oh, look at that vulture. Oh, he's going where?
Kenton just brought a bird from the woods. What do you have?
Crazy.
Yeah, it's not a chicken, dude. Quit petting it.
No way, no way, no, no!
Johnny, where are you? Where have you gone?
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Look at that. I've never seen that in real life.
No way. Oh my god.
If you've ever wondered what an angry turkey vulture sounds like,